Okay, so let's look at how much YouTube paid me for 300k views in 1 month. I have a couple of channels on YouTube, but let's just look at one of them. And this channel is actually a news-based channel. That's why I want to use it. So you can see the metrics real time and get to see exactly how I made money. So if we went to the channel analytics, you see here, say your hard work paid off, your channel got more subscriptions because your videos were great at convincing people to subscribe. All right, if you look to the left here, you'll see that I actually had about 323k views in the month of June 2023. Got that much watch hour, got about 6,000 more subscribers. I actually left this channel unattended for a while and came back to it just last month, and this is what we have. So how much did I make on this channel in a month? You see the views went up to as much as 900k views in October of 2022, 966k views for February of 2023. That was the election period. And in the month of May, not so much views. I decided to pick it up. In the month of June, I actually published 11 videos. Bear in mind here that my contents are actually news content, and usually, I don't know, except you're a very, very big channel and you're talking about trending topics, you usually don't get so much views. But this channel is not a channel that is built on trending news. I actually dedicated this channel to try pass a message across, so it's usually hard to get views for such things that are not trending. But it was able to gather as much views as we saw here, 323k views in a whole month. I guess for some other big channels, people who are into entertainment, people who are into music, they could probably get these views in what, a few hours. There are some channels that do that. So if you're not taking your YouTube seriously, please do take it seriously. You don't have to do it full time. You can do it part time. For me, it was a part time thing. It was, as you can see, in the whole of June of 2023, I only posted 11 videos because I'm an IT consultant. I have other businesses that I run, and those businesses are actually very, very time demanding. But I still manage to squeeze out time. Usually, it is in the evenings when I return from work, and after I've had my dinner, I just get in front of my webcam and I do the stuff that I do, trying to pass a message across, build a brand, to create awareness around certain topics for my country. Let me know, how much did YouTube pay you if you have started getting paid by YouTube? And then in the next video, I'll show you how much I made from Amazon affiliate marketing alone in the month of June. This online money thing is real. It is helping a lot of people to get a lot of passive income. 11 videos I posted in the month of June. And those 11 videos, in addition to other videos that I posted before, got me 323k views, got me $2,194. I had an RPM, which is the revenue per thousand, of $7. Now that is huge, because if you come to Social Blade and you put it in my channel, you find out that Social Blade actually estimates that I got between $8 and $1,300. And that's because if you look here, you see that the default estimated CPM range for Social Blade is 25 cents to $4. And I just showed you now that I got an RPM of over $7. So when you use Social Blade to do the estimates, it could actually be very, very much smaller than what the channel actually makes. As you can see in this example, I made $2,194. Out of that $2,194, it was $2,076 for video. I made 30 cents from shorts, and from live I made $71, and in total that came up to $2,194.